Amanda felt like all the diets she tried were too hard or she was always hungry. It made her cranky, which only led to more weight gain. Lucky for her, Drew had a great diet that actually works. The Smoothie Diet is an easy way to lose weight with delicious smoothies and lots of fruit and veggies. Amanda had seen it on YouTube before, but she never took action until now. She started out slowly, drinking one smoothie a day for breakfast, then she moved up to 2 per day, as she lost pounds quicker than ever before. Now with less stress from the added weight, Amanda's happier than ever, losing all 70 pounds in just 3 months. Thanks to the Smoothie Diet. Click on the link below to read the top 5 reasons why more people are using green smoothies to lose weight, boost their energy and look years younger.